I'll explain some of the highs and lows of pouring real metal into 3D printed parts. We've been printing PLA plastic parts on this Creality printer. Then we pour low-cost concrete or grout in around the plastic parts. We use different CAD modeling software to make the parts. We use these steel cans and then we pour into the plaster with the real metal. This is brass or copper, and we didn't get a complete flow because we ran out of metal. We're using this electric oven to melt down the metal. These are little gold particles that we'll have to pull back out of here so we can melt them down again. We've been experimenting with gold and silver that we find at the thrift store. If you look at the marks and know what you're looking for, you can find all kinds of gold for a good price. Sometimes these old computer chips also contain gold. The scrappiest stuff is what we're using to melt down. These resin printers, Creality, these are about $200 printers. We've been using these to experiment with making the shapes out of this wax as well. It does seem like the PLA like this melts out of the mold a lot easier than this wax. This wax has better resolution and it's designed to melt out, but it actually does not melt out as easily as this PLA. Even though the resolution is not as nice, it's easier, and this is what we've been doing more of. Casting metal with these 3D printers is definitely a work in progress. Here's a ring that worked pretty good. You can see that it didn't fill all the way through, but the resolution isn't bad. It's a fun challenge, so we'll keep moving forward.